Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Okay, children, we know that what happens when Murad go for riding and what happens when Aram went for riding. So, children, after that, we came to know about John Byro, a new character, that he is the real owner of the horse, and he visited their house and he told his problem that his horse was stolen and he is facing many problems. Now, children, narrator ran to Murad house. When this John Byro came to Aram's house and he told his the problem that his horse was stolen, then Aram was very much afraid. He got frightened. What if that they came to know about they are having his horse? Then he got very afraid and he ran towards Murad house to tell him and to just return the horse or what to do further, where to hide it, everything. He didn't know what to do, so he was a smaller one. He went to Murad to ask to tell him all what happened. So he went to the narrator. Our narrator is Aram. He went to Murad's house and he said to Murad. And while he came, he saw Murad repairing the hurt bird's wing. He was repairing a bird's hurt wing. A bird was hurt and the bird was not able to fly. So Murad was repairing the wing of the bird. He was a nature lover. He loved all the animals, all the creature, and by this we come to know about Murad's new something about his personality, his behavior. That he was a nature lover. He loved all the animal and the creatures, and he was repairing a hurt bird's wing. Decided to keep the horse for 6 months. Then he came to know about John Byro. He came and what all he said. Then he told Murad told Aram that I'm not giving back the horse. I will keep it for 6 months at least, and we both will learn the horse riding. Then there was a risk of being found out. Then Aram said that what if they come to know that we have stolen the horse, what will be happening with our tribe, our name will be spoiled, and they were fearing of the worst thing that can happen after when people come to know about they have stolen the horse. They hid it in the barn of a deserted vineyard. So then where did they hid the horse? They hid the horse where there was a deserted vineyard. Deserted means where there are no people going area or a part of vineyard where there is no movement. There are very less or no people are going in that area. So they hid the horse where nobody goes into the vineyard, deserted area. Then meeting with the John Byro. There was an incident when one morning they came from horse riding. They enjoyed the ride and they just came face to face with John Byro, the real owner of the horse, and while they were hiding the horse. Early morning, they were riding and they had at least 2 weeks when they confronted John Byro. Then what happened? While they were hiding the horse, they came in front of John Byro and he sees the horse. He recognized the horse and became suspicious. John Byro, he at once recognized the horse and he became suspicious because the color, the height, the teeth, the tail, everything was same as his horse. But he was not sure. He became suspicious because he knew their family, he knew their tribe, that Gargolian tribe. They were famous for their honesty, sincerity, trustworthy. They cannot steal a horse. And he was very much sure. He couldn't believe that the boys had stolen the horse. So this John Byro was so much convinced by the fact that they were belonging to a very honest tribe, that tribe members cannot steal, and he couldn't believe that these boys must have stolen his horse. And after searching all the evidence and the things were the same with his horse, he says that this horse must be the twin of his horse. Means the horse is the same, resembling the same horse as he has, but he says these boys cannot do such a thing, and this horse is a twin of his horse and he resembles the same. Moving further with the story, we come to know now Aram is very much scared that John Byro has visited his mother and he has told about the missing horse, and he goes to Murad that John Byro has come to his house and what should we do, where should we hide the horse. And then Murad said we will return the horse after the 6th month, and they hid the horse in the deserted vineyard. Now children, what happened after that? John Byro confronted the horse and he saw the horse looked just similar as his, and he says that the horse looks the twin of his horse, but he couldn't believe that these boys could steal his horse because they belong to a very honest tribe. Now what happened after they have learned horse riding and they have to keep the horse for a long time with them, then the day comes to return the horse as they have promised to each other. Horse returned to John Byro. Time has come to return the horse. Now the time has come. They are satisfied. Their desire is fulfilled as they were very eager to learn the horse riding. Now it's time, as they have promised to themselves that they will just return the horse. Now the actual time is come to return the horse to its original owner, the actual owner, that is John Byro, and they returned it next morning, and they quietly went to their John Byro's vineyard, and they took the horse and very quietly, very secretly, they just tied the horse in his vineyard, John Byro's, and they came back to their houses. They patted the horse for the last time because it was a moment of saying goodbye to the horse, because they have spent a very beautiful time with the horse, and this horse also made them learn horse riding very well. So they both boys were very grateful to the horse, and for the last time they patted the horse very gently, and they went away quietly after keeping the horse in the John Byro's vineyard. After that, John Byro visit. When John Byro sees the horse that it is very quietly it is tied in his vineyard, and he is very surprised and very happy. He becomes very happy to see his horse because he has been facing so many problems not having a horse. He was traveling on foot. It was very inconvenient for him to travel, and because he was a farmer he needed the horse most. So he became very happy, very content on seeing the horse. And then after he visited John Byro, visited to the Aram's house once again, as he was a family friend, because he has told his mother that his horse was stolen. Now he had to tell his mother that now he has got his horse back. So showed the horse to the narrator's mother. He showed the horse to the narrator's mother that I have told you about my missing horse, and the same horse I have got after a few months, and now I am very happy, because he seemed to be very happy and contented after getting his horse back, because he was facing so many problems without the horse. Admitted that John Byro admits that the horse was in good condition, nothing bad was done with the horse, and the horse looks so strong, so lively than ever before as he was. Admitted that the horse was stronger than ever. The horse became more stronger when he was with John Byro. Now he has been in a very good condition and better temperament also, and the horse had a better temperament also, better behavior also. The condition was not worse, but condition were good, and he was so happy to get his horse back in a good condition. So with this he told all the things to the Aram's mother. So children, I hope that you have understood the chapter, and you have just noticed all the points that I have just told you about each and every character. The important things I have just discussed you in a very brief manner. So children, there are the main two characters, Aram and Murad, with John Byro and Uncle Korespo. These are the four main things that I have discussed, and how and where did they do all the things, and what were the points that I have told you. Okay children, to sum up the lesson, we have just 5 questions, very short questions, so that I will be able to know how much you have learned. Question number 1, who were Aram and Murad? So question number 1, you have to just tell me, you have to just write in your copies, very short questions are there. You have to just give a character sketch of what I have told you, what you will go through the chapter. On behalf of that, what information you are getting, you will just tell me who is Aram and who is Murad, all the things that are given in the video or in the book. So second question, what were the main characteristics of the family of the narrator? Means what were the main things, what were the features, what were the main characteristics, what the tribe was famous for, why it was famous, and you have to tell it in a brief manner. Third question, what was the funny about Uncle Corsuo? What was the funny things that were told in the text? What I have told you in the this video also. So you have to just tell what was the unusual things that we have discussed about Uncle Corsuo. Then question number 4, who was John Byro and why was he sad? You have to just very important character another. Who was John Byro? Why was he sad? Where he come to discuss his problem? What problem he had? You have to write in a very short answer. Last question, how did John Byro react on getting back his horse? What was the reaction of the John Byro, the actual owner of the horse, when he gets back his horse? What words he said to the Aram's mother when he just told her that he has got his horse back, and what he admitted in the last about his horse. So children, these are the 5 questions, short question to sum up the video, so that you can do in the copy, and so that we can conclude what people have learned in the video. So children, I hope that you have understood the chapter, and best of luck for this assignment. Thank you.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.